Hi there. Are you frustrated with GoHighlevel that you are unable to send emails to contacts at specific times using automation, using the workflows? A number of the email responders, such as GetResponse and Aweber, you can schedule emails to go out at certain times of the day, like 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Well, I've actually found a solution to this by creating a new workflow that allows you to examine the current time and basically based on that wait till the current time is equal to like 9 a.m. or 5 p.m. and then send an email out and then continue sending emails out based on those times because you know the wait periods based on that. So I'm going to switch over to my screen, GoHighlevel sub account, created one from scratch. I've named it check for 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. So what I'm going to do is to add some workflows. This might be some stuff that, being new to GoHighlevel, you haven't seen before, but we have the ability to do an if statement. So I'm going to say in here, action name, check for 9 a.m. Obviously, what I'm doing now could be incorporated into an existing workflow, or it could be standalone where you actually then call another workflow after this has done it. So I'm going to go into my date time and check my current hour is before 9 a.m. Add another branch, current hour is 9 a.m. And by default, you're going to get a third option, which is going to be for any time after 9 a.m. The reason I did it in this order is because if it's before 9 a.m., I want to be able to wait an hour and then go back. So I'm going to use the go to. I'm going to route it back to check for 9 a.m. If the current hour is 9 a.m., I want to do an email. And I'm going to say 9 a.m. email. And that's all I need to do just to put that in there. If it's above 9 a.m., rather than waiting, could be up to 23 hours to become 9 a.m., I'm going to put another if statement in. And I'm going to say that I want to send out emails before at 5 p.m. So I'm going to call this 5 p.m. check. So date time, current hour is before 5 p.m. I just like to do it this way because it's logical to me to say what's it before, now, and then after. So I'm going to save that. So you see we've got three options again. So if it's 5 p.m., then I can send out an email. 5 p.m. email. Save the action. If it's before 5 p.m., I want to do another wait. 1 hour. I'm going to say go to. And I'm going to pop it back up to check for 5 p.m. After I've done my email at 9 a.m., I want to put a wait in because I'm going to wait until 5 o'clock, which is going to be 8 hours. And then I'm going to say go to, and I'm going to go to my 5 p.m. email. If the condition is it's after 5 p.m., I want to wait an hour. And then go loop back to check for 9 a.m. If it's 5 p.m., I want to wait again. Wait. I'm going to just put wait in just for illustrations. Wait 1 hour, for example. And what we could do here is then go to a workflow. We could add a workflow to an existing workflow that sends out emails twice a day. So I'm just going to save this. I'm also going to say publish it and save it. We can also go ahead and now test it. So I'm going to find one of my email addresses, run the test. It is now 10:34 a.m. current time here. I'm actually just going to do a refresh. And see where I've got to. So what's happened is it's come down here. It said the time is after 9 a.m. We're going to check, is it 5 p.m.? It's saying no, it's before 5 p.m. So I've actually appearing in here as my email address. So it's going to wait an hour before doing the next thing. So some of these things you may not put a wait in, but I'm just doing it for illustration purposes. Hope you've enjoyed this. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Perrin. I've been a GoHighlevel user for 12 months now, exploring some advanced features of GoHighlevel. And please look for my channel because I'll be adding additional how-tos for GoHighlevels in the future.